yeah, just making progress through the winter. Has been difficult outside. I did have a shed sorted out to go in to do the fiberglass matting on the coach roof, but then I found the gunnel problem, or the bit along the tow rail problem, and that's all messy and dirty, and I didn't want to take it to the inside garage that I'd got, the storage facility, and then still make a mess. So I'm just trying to do all the messy bits before I cart her away and then re-fiberglass mat the whole of the top deck. Really